Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. In this video, we're going to take a look at the AlienGear Rapid Force Duty Holster. This is a level 3 retention holster. I've been carrying this for a few weeks. I've done a few trainings with it, and so far I really like it. I like the fact that it feels nice and sturdy. When I go to put my thumb on the release, that it actually releases, and there's a good tactile boop there. Move my thumb back, that releases the pistol out of the holster. The plastic, polymer, whatever you want to call it, is super thick. So if I am bouncing around the ground or doing whatever, I don't feel like I'm going to break this holster. I did order my holster with an RMR cover. You can order it with different sizes. I went with the XL cover. You can order different size covers here. On the website, they tell you basically recommendation which size cover you can get as well. And then I ordered mine with a light because my Glock 19 has a light on it. So I ordered that with a light ready to come on it. There again, you can pick and choose and customize this holster how you'd like to. It comes with their quick attachment system here, so you can attach it to your belt, duty belt, whatever kind of belt you want to attach it to. And then it slides and locks into place. And then when you're ready to change it out, there's two little press and release buttons right here. Push down, boom, it comes back off. Just have a quick attachment that you can leave to your belt. Run it with multiple other belts if you want to. Attach it here. Obviously your gun's not going anywhere. Slides in, locks into place. The cover here that's going to keep the pistol locked into place is nice and strong too. I don't feel like my pistol is going to come out. I don't feel like if you try to pull on it and jerk it out of the holster that it's going to come out either. Push this button down, that releases the lock over this and the hood. Bloop. Then pull your thumb back. That's going to release the actual pistol from the holster. So push down, rock your thumb back, gun comes out towards the bad guy. Lock it down, boom, it's locked into place. And it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. So if you're looking for a level 3 retention holder, I think this is a good buy. Like I said, I've had it for a few months, used it a few different trainings, and so far I've been super happy with it. I know you guys are gonna ask, so it's a blue AlienGear belt, running G-code holster, 1 mag for AR, 2 for pistol mag here, and then an extra pistol mag here. AR 500 pouch on the back, which you can get at medicalgearoutfitters.com. And of course, we were reviewing the AlienGear holster that's a level 3 retention. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.